Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school, so you can feel cool.
Hello everybody and welcome to Makistoys. Today, in this cup, coconut oil, melted. Previous video, it was solid. I'm saying this fast because it's cold and it will solidify if I'm not careful. So, food coloring. So you can already tell it's not water, it's definitely something else. It's coconut oil. I'm going to add Crazy Art Clear Slime Glue, whatever. Mix this as well as possible. Because I'm not quite sure what'll happen. Okay, that's activator, baking soda and water. Start with a little bit. That is quite interesting, actually. Let's add a little more. Maybe it's just a fluke. Okay, well, so I was mixing this and it wasn't going together, but then I realized, oh, it had come together, and I thought, oh, well, you know what, maybe it's, maybe it's not going to work. But take a look at what's in the water. It seems like the oil completely separated from the glue, but I'm not exactly quite sure like why a solid would make a difference from let's say liquid, because the previous video it was solid coconut oil and this is heated up coconut oil to a liquid, and it acted well, not completely different, but just a little bit different, so it's quite strange. Well, here you go. Here is what it makes. It's not quite the stringy mess that the other one is, which is weird. Because it's like I said, why would temperature? Oh, you know what? No, it still doesn't hold on to itself. It's not sticky at all. It's not slimy, really. Coconut oil, I would not recommend.